Today you will be taking the State of Texas Assessment of Academic Readiness STAR Science Test. You will take this test on the computer. It is important that you do your best. Open the NEISD webpage. From the NEISD webpage, in the upper right-hand corner, please select the Launchpad button. From Launchpad, please select Aware Testing Center. You may now log into the Aware Testing Center. Remember, your login is your ID number for your username, and your password is your birthday, 2 digits for month, / 2 digits for day of the month, / and 4 digits for your year. You will now locate the test titled STAR Test Virtual Learners. You may use the Reference Materials button in the upper right-hand corner and scratch paper when you are taking this test. You may also use a calculator that is embedded on the program on this test as well. I cannot help you answer any test questions. You may not know the answers to all the questions. If you do not know the answer to a question, choose the answer you think might be correct. You will have 4 hours to complete this test. The test will open in Aware Testing Center beginning at 8:30 a.m. and will close promptly at 1:00 p.m. on the day of May 6th, which is Thursday. You may check over your answers within this test, and when you are finished, please click Done and submit your test. You will now take the STAR Science Test by yourself. Remember to do your best, and we all believe in you. Have a great day.